Hey folks, Shane the Shark Man here from Guarantee RV in Junction City. Right now we're going to view this 2020 Winnebago Vita. Model number on this is a 24P. Compact, but it's got all the bells and whistles. This is a really nice little coach. Okay, first of all, you got your Mercedes chassis, which is always good. Mercedes makes an outstanding chassis. Winnebago makes an outstanding product. You will not be disappointed if you were to get this coach. And when I tell you the price, I always say it, feeding frenzy. So, up top we got all tinted windows. We've got the overhang for the bunk up there. Also on this slide room, you've got your slide topper, protects from any pine needles or anything else falling on top that you don't want up there. As soon as you roll it in, automatically comes off. So that's a good feature. Moving down, we've got the storage bay. One of the storage bays, I believe. A lot of room in there. You can put your outside stuff. If you have a little grill or something on the side, you can put all your grilling items there, and I love to grill food. So if you do, just invite me because I eat. All right, so great paint job, by the way. Vita, like I said, excellent. Another storage spot down here. Got your back ladder for access so you can get up and clean your components on top. Check out the roof, make sure there's nothing up there that shouldn't be. I won't climb it because I always say no workman's comp case, I don't want it. So tinted window on the back, backup camera. Needs a little bath, but that's all right. We'll make sure it's clean before you come pick it up. Then you've got your nice long, this is probably an 18-foot patio awning, automatic with patio lights on it. You got your front porch light, LEDs. All right, now we're going to move inside. Okay, to start, got your bunk up top, probably room for 2 people, adults, even more kids if you got them, and also, or grandkids. Also in here we've got this very nice, up-to-date, spacious cab. You've got everything integrated in. AM, FM radio, everything you need's right up front here. Cruise control, it's got all the bells and whistles, and it's a great coach. Moving back here, we've got lots of storage, which is what is number one in RVing. Also, you got your recliners. Great things. I'd sit in it right now, but I have to keep working. So then you got TV right here across from the recliner so you can check out your favorite shows. You could even get aftermarket stuff we install on there like Dish Network, anything else you need. Also, we've got your nice galley area here, double sink. Nice chrome spout there. Got a nice, oh, this is a really nice one here. If I can figure out how to do it. Anyway, that's what you do. 3-burner stove, top, very nice. And you have, honest to goodness, there's the microwave down there. I believe it's a convection, so you can brown your things. Like I said, lots of storage. That's what we need. We've got your nice fridge here. If I can get that open. Oh, storage lock's on. Sorry, folks. Lots of space in there for all your goodies. Me, it would be smoked salmon and beer and cheese. That's all I need to live. Anyway, so we've got also over here tucked in nice in this slide room. All of this is in a slide room. Got your queen size foldable bed. Fold it up. Push the button, whole thing comes in, so you got plenty of room. Also, you've got your hookups for another TV if you choose to put one in there. Finally, we've got in here a nice spacious shower for your bathroom. Lots of room there. I mean, I'll tell you what, this is, like I say, bigger than my first apartment, and I'm not kidding you. So, if you want to check out this nice little model, you come and see the Shark Man. I'll tell you why they call me that after a bit. Come on out. Have a chat with me. I'll buy you lunch. We'll have coffee, whatever it takes. Let's just talk about it because you deserve to have something like this. Thank you.